Do you find those pop-up confirmations annoying whenever you copy something in Brave? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily turn those on or off. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Brave browser and head to the top right corner. Click on those three horizontal lines, the hamburger menu, and then go down and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. You might need to scroll down a little bit to find it, but we're looking for accessibility. Go ahead and click that. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll see an option called Copy to Clipboard Confirmations. This is the setting that triggers a little notification every time you copy a link, an image, or a video. If you like knowing for sure that something was copied, leave that toggle switched to on. But if you find it distracting and want a cleaner experience, just flip that switch to off. Brave saves your choice instantly, so there's no need to look for a save button. And that's it. Nice and simple. If this helped you clean up your browsing experience, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. I've also left some helpful resources in the description below if you want to check those out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.